here with Becca, and I'm literally in a desert paradise. This is our tub. What the hell? Look at this. Look at this. Kitchen, living room, a wild Kim Tai. Then here is our bed, sexy mama-licious, and then we have a hot tub. We have a hot tub. This is literally so incredible. I really want to thank Becca for all of this after that flight. Thank you. I love you. So, like, real talk, Becca's Moonlight was the first glow that created the spark. So to be here in literally paradise with them means so much, and I'm shooketh. Oh, here she goes again. Here she goes again. I'm back! I'm really not, like, able to process this. Oh my god. Oh my god, we have a visitor!
Wait, Carrie, what are you wearing and why do I want it? Kind of like...
Hey, bud!
Say hi.
Okay.
Elizabeth, get here. Wait,
Hello?
how did you meet this cat?
Kim got out of bed and she got stuck to this thing. You need help? You need help, friend? If this isn't friendship goals, I don't know what is. Here we are in bed editing. Editing together. Woo. Oh my god, will you look at this view? Oh, we're going to Joshua Tree in that. Who's ready for the Silicone Beauty Blender? Okay guys, Silicone Beauty Blender, trying an Eevee blender for foundation is now up on my channel.
Yes! I also like... You know just what to say.
New bronzers. I'm, of course, looking at this light one. Yes, come through, pale pasties. Someone explained to me how Kim packed 7 days in that little thing.